Are you someone who thinks that content creation and becoming big or getting paid is only possible if you have good number of followers, if you have good equipments, or you need a good camera? Then no, you're extremely wrong. And today, content creation is a part of my source of income. So if you're someone who is interested to learn about paid collaborations and how I began with it, and if you want help with the same, then do continue watching this video. Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. This is Mithali, you're about Mithali, and in today's video I'm going to talk to you about how I am getting paid collaborations and how you can also get paid collaborations. I started with just a camera, no confidence, zero confidence, no directions, nothing. I had no idea what I was doing. I was just going forward little by little. So as you know that I started my journey in the year 2020. इन द ईयर 2020 मार्च में मैंने स्टार्ट किया था माई जर्नी, एंड मार्च में एक वीडियो पोस्ट की थी दैट वाज पेड कोलैबोरेशन, नो दैट वाज बाटा कोलैबोरेशन, एंड at that time that was my first content that I posted, and it was barter collaboration. Yes, you heard me right. So I just posted one, and then lockdown happened and all of that, and I stopped creating content. Okay, I really stopped creating content, and I was just consuming content. मैं consume करते जा रही थी. I was looking at these influencers and content creators who are like big influencers right now and big creators right now. I just used to watch their videos and consume it. Later in the year 2021 and 2022, like after 2021 2022, I started creating content again, started posting again, and slowly and gradually, after building a little bit of my profile, like after a couple of posts, I started getting barter collaborations. I know you were thinking paid collaborations, it will come, but after a while. I'll tell you how I got paid collaborations. Okay, so I started getting barter collaborations, and for me it was a very big opportunity because I thought I can finally do something out of content, and the brand really is interested to work with me. So gradually I started getting more barter collabs, and I started working with different brands and different kind of brands, and I got more into my content, upped my game into content, try to understand the content quality which they are looking for and everything. I worked on my profile, built a profile, and then eventually I got paid collaborations too. I started getting paid collaborations. I still remember my first paid collab, and it was not a huge number, but for me it was kind of a step forward into a content creation journey. Then I started getting paid collaborations. I used to get small amounts, but then later on I started getting big collaboration opportunities as well. And yeah, it is not something that happened like randomly. ऐसे उठ के एकदम randomly आप बोलोगे कि यार अब भी मेरे को पेड collaborations आनी चाहिए, ऐसा नहीं होता है. You need to build your own brand, you need to work on certain things. और ऐसा भी नहीं है कि आपको बहुत ज़्यादा huge number चाहिए followers के लिए, ऐसा नहीं होता है. मैंने देखा है there are so many small creators who have like good profile, good engagement rate, and ऑडियंस भी ट्रस्ट करती है. सो ब्रांड्स काम करती हैं छोटे क्रिएटर्स के साथ, एंड दैट इज़ वाई I feel that it is important for everyone to know that just don't stop creating content, keep posting it. I know it gets very difficult, I know I have been there. every day post करना या फिर वीक में 4-5 बार पोस्ट करना नहीं होता. I know it's not possible, but all I'm asking you is to be consistent. Even if you are posting one post once in a while, post it, just post it. I know it's very exhausting, I know I've been there. In fact अभी भी मुझे कभी कभी फील होता है that I am getting exhausted because I know certain level पे हमें एक expectations होती है कि हमें ये पोस्ट करना है, brands की भी होती है and all of that, and you get tired. So I get that, but trust me, it is all worth it. in the end. Trust me on that. I just want to tell you that I have been posting on Instagram and threads about paid collaborations and better collaboration opportunities. So if you're interested, do DM me on Instagram, threads, anywhere, and do mention paid collab forms or barter collab forms, and I will send you once something comes up or some opportunities come my way. I'll definitely share it with you guys, which I have been sharing it on my other socials as well. But you can hit me in the DM. I'll be sharing the DMs to, the forms to you. So yeah, so just take it as a sign. Take this as a sign and don't stop creating content. You can consume content, but also try to learn, like what is new with the trends. Try and understand everything. That is what I did too. That is what I'm doing till date. I have so much to achieve in content this year. I have not achieved that yet, and I have so many visions, so many goals that I have aligned for my content, and not only content, for other things also, but here I'm talking about content creation. So yeah, there are so many things which I want to do apart from like getting paid collaborations. I'm seeing big numbers, and that is what I feel, that there are small creators who don't know. They are, they don't know how to start paid collaborations or how to get them. So I would really love to help them in a small way. So yeah, that's it for today's video. And in case you are interested to learn more about brand collaborations or content creation, or how to reach brands, or just behind the scenes of a content creator life or creator vlogs, something like that, then do subscribe to my channel, because I would love to share this journey with you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye, see you.